This repair video for the P0174 error code is specifically tailored for Lexus drivers. If your Lexus is showing a P0174 code, this is for you. P0174 is a diagnostic trouble code, stands for System 2 Lean in Bank 2. This engine code signifies that the vehicle's engine control module has detected a System 2 Lean condition on cylinder bank 2. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Intake manifold leaks, dirty or faulty MAF sensor, fuel system problems, oxygen sensor malfunction, PCV valve issues, fuel pressure regulator problems, faulty fuel pressure sensor, exhaust leaks. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Modify the oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter by putting extra space between the sensor and the converter. And now getting the smart plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, put them together and put back on the catalytic converter. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. This engine code comes in various vehicles, mostly comes in Toyota, Honda, Lexus, Acura, and Scion. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.